welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylin if you're new, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a new company that reached out to me to try out some of their extensions. They offer tape-ins, they offer clip-ins, they offer wigs, they offer these things called halos, so that you only put them like right here and then you can leave the rest of your hair out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. This is what the packaging looks like. The company is called SUNNY Hair, and they just make like a whole bunch of extensions, but the reason that I really liked their extensions was because they offer a balayage, they offer ombre, they offer highlighted, like all of these extensions pre-highlighted, pre-ombre for you, like everything's colored for you. So the style that I'm wearing is a 1B427. I think the detail will be in the description box, but all of their extensions are high quality human hair and can be washed, permed, dyed, curled, all that. So as you can see, I already put some curls in it to show you guys how it curls. The hair was longer than this, and you will see all that in the video. At first I wasn't really too sure about how I was gonna like it. I didn't think I was gonna like it at all. I mean, I'm still iffy about it because it's not turning out how I expected it to like look, but yes. One thing I do want to point out about the clip-ins is that they're seamless clip-ins. Like, I will show you in another clip how flat the clip-ins are, so that when you put them down, like, you can't even tell that I have clip-ins in, like, where? So that is one thing I really like about the clip-ins. The pricing as well is very affordable for human hair clip-ins, but I am going to talk about some things that I don't really like the clip-in. They only come with 7, and I don't really like they only come with 1 4 weft clip-in. Hold on, let me just go through what it comes with. 1 4 clip-in, 2 3 clip-ins, and then 3 2 clip-ins, and then 1 clip-in. I didn't even bother to use the 1 clip because I'm like, I don't even know where to put it. So that's another con that I didn't like about the clip-ins. Also, if you were trying to wear just the clip-ins and like say you wanted to braid your hair up and then put the clips on your braided hair, you wouldn't be able to do it and it looked good, because I feel like the clip-ins are kind of thin, on the thinner side, when it comes to if you have more textured hair. But other than that, I think they are a decent quality clip-in option if you're looking to do something different with your hair and you don't want to like put color in it or damage your hair or anything like that. I think that you will be better off trying some of their highlighted ombre look. I got the hair pretty fast, in about a week, and it came in 20 inches, and I did wash the hair before putting it in. Everything went smoothly, like there was no shedding, there was no terrible smell. It went well. So make sure you keep on watching, and I will show you guys how I installed it, and if you have any other questions, put them down below. add some weight. So I really enjoy trying these out.